I was fascinated with, wow, how many other women besides me are in this space where we're successful in life, outside of the home, but we're really feeling unfulfilled here. And I didn't necessarily find that it was just women who were divorced. It was actually because I was in a partnership at the time whenever I had that intervention, but also just within their home life. And as hormones are a part of this, and as we get older, whatever it was. And I did this deep dive with a teacher for a year. Also got to study 100 men, and every month we actually dove into like a thesis or a topic. And what really blew my mind was that this one month it was on, do men really like strong women? Like, what does that mean to a man? And they 99 of the 100 men said that they loved a strong woman who was voluntarily vulnerable. And as we dove in, like, what exactly does that mean? What I found to be true is that they said, now these were healthy men that didn't actually need a woman from a codependent space, like need a woman on their arm or need a woman to need them from a place of scarcity because that gave them worth. These were men who were self-actualized. They really were conscious men. They were men who we had already, basically vetted that they were safe men for us to, all these women in this certification to work with. And they went, we want to know if we go out of town or what have you, that this is a woman who can take care of herself, take care of our children, take care of, if she needs a tire fixed, whether she's working in or outside the home, and that she's with me because she chooses to be with me. And that when she chooses to surrender her heart, her body, her soul, that it's because that she actually already knows that she knows that she knows that she knows that she's a queen, essentially. Like, she knows who she is. And that makes the giving of us, like our essence as a woman, even more precious versus a woman who, like, I need to have a man kind of a thing. Right.
That was my old energy for sure. I was, in order to feel valued, I had to have a man that told me I was valued.
Yeah. And there's nothing wrong with my work in the embodiment space. I'm trained with so many different teachers. And for me, how the embodiment work came in, not just the head knowledge of the masculine and the feminine, is that I realized that I had learned everything up here, but it really hadn't started like really permeating my body. And I still had, feelings of, not fear of intimacy, but probably using my body in ways that actually weren't my best and highest good, even though I knew the energies. I wanted to understand my body even more, understanding my yes and my no.